Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to turn on profile views on TikTok, and now let's dive right in. Now to turn on profile views on TikTok, first open up your TikTok app. And over here guys, in order to turn on profile views on TikTok, at the bottom right corner of the screen, you can see a profile icon over there. Tap on that profile icon, and over here, in order to proceed to turn on your profile views on TikTok, at the top right corner of the screen, you can see the two footprints icon available for us at the top right, just beside the tree line icon. Tap on those footprint icons and you'll be over here on your profile view section of your interface. Now in order to turn on your profile views on TikTok, at the top right corner of the screen, you can see the gear or the settings icon. Tap on that and this kind of interface will appear where you'll be required to, or you'll be able to turn on your profile view history from this toggle icon. Turn it to blue and it will be turned on. And then guys, this is how to turn on profile views on TikTok. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.